If your trade business isn't growing, it's not the market, it's your systems. Most contractors don't have a lead problem, they have a follow-up problem. You're losing thousands because you still rely on humans to do what automation can do 24/7. No AI CSR, no estimate follow-up, no nurturing. Meanwhile, your competitors are quietly building machines that book jobs while they sleep. If you want to scale without working more hours, follow Trade's Growth Blueprint. I'll show you how the top contractors are dominating using systems, not stress.